My name is Greg Carnes, and I'm a member of the UWorld Tax Content team. My full-time job is I'm Dean of the Sanders College of Business and Technology at the University of North Alabama. I've been developing tax content for CPA review courses for more than 25 years. I also teach tax seminars for the American Institute of CPAs. I teach those for accounting firms and also for state societies, and have taught in approximately 30 states. And then I also have 2 tax textbooks that I write with Wiley. Congratulations for setting your goal to be a CPA. Being a CPA will have tremendous benefits for your career, and that's whether you're working in public accounting, industry, or even if you're not working in the accounting profession. The reason for that is that when an employer sees the CPA credential on your resume, they will know that you have excellent problem-solving skills, time management skills, and a strong work ethic, right? And those are the characteristics they're looking for in the people they hire.